Can you imagine turning your knowledge into a profitable online business? That's the power of information products in the digital era. You see, in this age of information, knowledge isn't just power, it's also a lucrative business. The demand for quality, accessible information is sky high. People are constantly seeking to learn, grow, and improve, and they're willing to pay for that privilege. Whether it's a course, an ebook, or a webinar, if you have expertise in a certain area, you can package that knowledge into an information product and sell it online. This presents an incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs and thought leaders alike. The digital world is your oyster, and your knowledge is the pearl. But how exactly do you create and launch an information product? That's where your first information product comes in. Introducing your first information product, a comprehensive course designed to guide you in creating and launching your own information product. This isn't just a course, it's a roadmap to success, a blueprint for your entrepreneurial journey. We're not just talking about a few video lessons here. This course provides step-by-step guidance, complete with templates, worksheets, and checklists to accelerate your product development. Imagine having a dedicated mentor guiding you through choosing the right topic for your product, helping you to create compelling content that grabs attention. Picture yourself crafting an irresistible package that simply sells itself, and then marketing it effectively to reach your target audience. This course has it all covered, but it doesn't stop there. Your first information product also walks you through setting up a functional payment system, ensuring that your hard-earned profits flow seamlessly to your account. And when it's time to launch, you won't be stepping into the unknown. You'll be equipped with a clear launch plan, designed to maximize your product's potential. With your first information product, you're not just learning, you're accelerating your product development journey. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who have experienced success with your first information product. Meet Sarah, a lifestyle blogger who had a wealth of knowledge but struggled to monetize it. After taking the course, she launched her first ebook, and now she's not only sharing her expertise but also earning a steady income from it. She says, "The course was a game changer. It provided me with a clear roadmap to package my knowledge into a sellable product. I saved so much time and avoided a lot of the guesswork." Then there's Mike, a fitness trainer who wanted to reach a larger audience. He used the course to create an online training program. He shares, "I was able to scale my business beyond the walls of my gym. The course taught me how to create compelling content and market it effectively. My profits have tripled since the launch of my program." And let's not forget about Emma, a working mom with a passion for baking. She turned her hobby into a profitable online course teaching others how to bake like a pro. Emma raves. "The course's templates and checklists were invaluable. I was able to launch my course in less than a month. Now I'm making money doing what I love." These testimonials are just a few examples of the countless success stories from your first information product. Everyone from bloggers to trainers to hobbyists has found value in this course, transforming their expertise into profitable products. These are real people just like you, who have transformed their knowledge into profitable information products. We're so confident in the value of your first information product that we're offering a satisfaction guarantee and a refund policy within the first 30 days. That's right, friends. We believe so deeply in the transformative power of this course that we're willing to take on all the risk. You see, we understand that creating and launching your first information product can feel like a daunting task. That's why we've designed this course to be a comprehensive step-by-step guide to making it happen. From choosing the right topic to creating compelling content, to packaging and marketing your product, we've got you covered. But here's the thing. We also know that every individual's journey is unique. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's okay. Our satisfaction guarantee is a testament to our commitment to your success. If within the first 30 days you feel that the course isn't right for you, we will refund your money. No questions asked. Think about it. This isn't just a course, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. An opportunity to become the entrepreneur you've always dreamed of being. So what are you waiting for? With our satisfaction guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Don't miss this chance to turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. Click the Buy Product button and start your journey with your first information product today.